Hello everyone. I got a package in the mail today. Already opened it because I was excited and I didn't want to show addresses. So I went on Rachel's Etsy shop and I got some from Roxy Creations, Rachel. I got 2 bundles of paper and a huge bundle of her straw paper. I am so excited to have that, but I want to see these. I thought I would share with you. I forgot my glasses. So I'll do the best I can without them. So nice, the paper feels amazing. Yeah, there's a couple here. Oh, that feels really nice. This paper's nice. Just gonna do it that way. It all feels so different. Some dictionary paper. I don't know what this is all from. It's just a mix of papers to use. I love the feel of them. Roxy, your package came so fast, I can't believe it. I entered Roxy's birthday challenge, and Roxy, your package for your birthday challenge is on its way. You should have it in, I'm thinking, a week and a half, something like that, because I shipped it fast. Oh, these feel like, these almost feel like cardstock. Like, you know how cardstock feels with the ridges in it? That's really cool. Just loads and loads and loads of different papers. Oh, that's nice. Look. Oh, nice. I'm just excited. Really, really excited to get these. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a dictionary, but it's not. And it's, of course, Italian, so I can't read it. Oh, nice images. Yay. Oh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look how dark the pages are. Oh, I love that. So exciting. Oh, and the stitching. Oh, okay. So the stitching was left in. There's actually two. No. Oh, that's different. Very interesting. So, yeah, that's the one. And then I ordered another one from her, and I think it's much, it'll be, you know, the same, but maybe different papers. I gotta look. Just because I do. The one on the bottom has me excited. Like the picture ones. I'm just going to put those there. Nice. This is amazing. Love that. Oh, it is 2 pages. Okay. I love that. This is another one of those ones that open up. It's just very cool. And these pages feel so thick. Thick, thick, thick. Roxy, thank you. I love everything. It's amazing. I probably mixed these up, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put them all together anyway. I just wanted to come on and thank Roxy. Thank you, Roxy. It's awesome. So happy it's here. And it was fast shipping. Thank you. Bye.